All right, peeps, we got her out. Here's the infamous bracket that everybody's breaking bolts off into. You can see it right there. But what I don't understand is, why can't you just make a through hole boat instead of trying to? Because it looked like he gooed up the taps in there. I mean, threads in there pretty good. Which I'm gonna retap it, but if this is a known problem, I don't understand why they can't make a through hole bolt. And I almost guarantee I know why it's breaking. I guarantee it, because this plate's flexing, causing it to snap. As y'all can see down there, where it came out, you got to remove the AC compressor, power steering pump, not pump, reservoir, alternator. Yeah, you got to remove all that. A few brackets here, but yeah, if you don't know what you're doing, don't try it. Pay someone to do it. Loosen this bolt up, because there's stuff that you can break in here, and you'll be in a pretty good pickle if you go messing with the AC not knowing what you're doing. So anyway, we're gonna get this tapped out, drilled, good as new, and get her cleaned up. So that's how you take care of this. And we got to get another tensioner too ordered. Well, not ordered, I'm gonna run up there and get one. And this is a 08 Honda minivan. Known problem for them bolts to be breaking. So we should get it fixed up.